Welcome in the third part. Now, recently, in the last part, we added our new cryptocurrency, which will be BNB, which was BNB. Here we are having a pair of BNB with USDT. If you add another pair, you can select it. Let's say you want BNB with BTC. Here you can add it. Okay. Now, if you want to remove any pair, you can click here and then and now you are having a pair of BNB with USDT and now it is enabled. Now we are having three cryptocurrencies. Okay, so if in the next part is exchanges. If you want to, here you can got the exchanges that you are having. Let's say you are having a Binance exchange, Base Pro, and KuCoin. Here only one is enabled. If you want to enable any other one, you can also enable it. And if you want to add any other exchange, let's say you want any other exchange, so you can. Okay, it says that your changes are not saved. Okay, so let's save and restart later, and we restart all. Now our changes are saved. Let's go to exchange. Now you find that these exchanges are also enabled. Now go to accounts. If you want to add any exchange, let's say you want to add an exchange. Here you found add new exchange option. Let's say you want to add Bitso. You can click and add it. Now you find that your Bitso is added. So you need to connect with your Bitso account. You need an API key, API secret key, and API password. Okay. So let's say we will connect our our Bitso account in later, or otherwise you can simply go on your Bitso account and then you will click on API management, then create a new API, and from there you got all these three things: API key, from copy from there and paste it here simply, and then you will find that your Bitso account is now connected with your AlphaBot. Here you can also enable or disable your account. Okay, you can also trade in only in Sandbox, which is only a testing account. So let's go to the next section in our profile section. He says that your changes are not saved. Okay, so first save the changes and we will restart it later. Now go to our profile. Go to profile page. Here you find, here we go through from strategies. We already added currencies, also added exchanges, and now we go to trading section, and we also go through from our trading section. Now here is our trading section. If now you here you can change the amount. Let's say you can also convert it to 1 BTC and then click OK. USDT 10,000 USDT and then click OK. If you want to add any sort of other currency, let's say you are having which one you are having, BNB. You want 100 BNBs, and BNB will be BNB. And now save and restart it later. Okay, but now we are going to restart all. So now go to trading. Now here you found that you are having one Bitcoin, USDT 10,000 and 100 BNBs. Now our profile section is completed. Now if you go to trading section, okay, now I will tell you what is this. First we go there in our profile page and then trading section. In trading section you found a trader option and a trader simulator option.